Apple's iOS 26 update has reimagined the CarPlay experience with a sleek new design, smarter functionality, and an interface that feels more in sync with modern driving needs. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Claimed as the most dramatic visual update in years, the new liquid glass look introduces translucent icons and animated transitions that give CarPlay a stylish, futuristic edge, especially when paired with default or dark mode. At the heart of the redesign is a renewed focus on usability. The interface now features a pinned app dock for faster access to frequently used apps, intelligently placed based on left or right hand drive. Icons have been refreshed with rounded corners, and everything from maps to music feels smoother and more consistent. And if we talk about widgets, one of iOS's most loved features have made their CarPlay debut. On large screens, users can stack multiple widgets for quick checks on weather, news, calendar events, or messages. While smaller screens limit this one at a time, the convenience remains intact. Notifications have also been refined. Incoming messages can now be acknowledged with emoji tapbacks, and phone calls slide in from the bottom without hijacking the entire screen, especially during navigation. Oh, and you can now customize the text sizes, switch themes, and even experiment with the ghosted liquid glass mode too. And the most exciting feature? Live activities. From tracking your flight to checking the score, real-time updates now live right on your dashboard if your vehicle's screen is large enough. While full AirPlay video and pinch-to-zoom are still hardware-dependent, iOS 26's CarPlay refresh proves Apple's steering towards a smarter, cleaner, and more connected driving experience. What do you think about this update? Comment down below and give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.